Welcome to the Easter Collection. A charming blend of Easter animals that could easily find a place on a greeting card. However, this collection isn't just about Easter, it's also perfect for nurseries too. If you have little ones around and want to create something sweet for their space, then you're in for a treat. We'll be exploring the fascinating world of underpainting in oils, breaking down each painting into two parts, from the initial underpainting to the vibrant colour layers. From the delightful pondside pattering, where our ducks indulge in their morning gossip, moving on to a meadow scene with an adorable fawn. Then our fluffy little lamb, which I've called Daisy Daydream, and finally a blissful bunny safeguarding Easter eggs amidst a backdrop of foliage and flowers. Embark on this delightful animal adventure.